Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be working on the motor for the rear window. It's stuck open, as you can see. The motor works when it wants to, so we're going to see if it's the motor or if it's the switch. I picked this up at the junkyard, paid $17 for it. As you can see, we're going to swap this one out, so let's get to that. First thing we want to do is we're going to get ourselves a little tool just to pry off this here and just kind of get that off. Don't want to break anything, but want to kind of get that off, and there we go. We broke it. Awesome. This motor is done anyway, so it don't matter, but you can see right there that broke off. We want to try not to do that. But that's okay, because I got another motor, and the new motor has everything I need, I'm hoping. Shit, maybe not, we'll see. All right, once you disconnect this carefully, as you can see I messed up, so I'm gluing that back on. Hopefully it works. But you're gonna come up here, just take your seatbelt and mine is locked in for some reason. I guess nobody could get in my car. Anyway, okay. Pull your seatbelt to the side. You're gonna get a real small screwdriver and you just push down here, and that pops that out, and then we need to get this out. We'll put that to the side, and we're gonna pop this off. Oh, hold on, before you do that, on the side here, right here, there is a thing you're gonna have to pop out right there. That's so you can get the whole thing out. So this has to pop out. There you go. Now we can take this out. All right, so with that out of the way, you can either remove this whole panel here, this whole thing, or you can work in this tight spot, which I prefer to work in the tight spot. There's two bolts back there that we're gonna have to unscrew. Let's get it ratchet and take 10mm socket. Just goes right on here. We're gonna unscrew that. Hold on. You can see the 10 right there. So we're gonna take that out. That's one. And there's another one on the other side. To that one. Got that out. Now we can remove this whole thing here. We got that there, and then we can access the motor. And the plug is going to be somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, right there. On the underside here. So we need to get to the motor. Undo this clip here. Just curious why they made this so short. Can't even get anything in there to press on it. I think I got it. Yep, got it. All right, so that was a little difficult. Now we're gonna plug in our new motor and run it and see if it goes open and close. There we go. Put our key in, turn our ignition just a little bit. There we go. It's working. So now we just need to reconnect everything. As you've seen, it was working good. But now we need to put back everything the way it was. This is in here along with this, slides in. Get our seatbelt out the way. There we go. We get our screws back in. That's one. And let's get the other. Again, very tight quarters we're working in here. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it's very difficult to get to. See down there? It's somewhat lined up. All right, we're in. Good to go. We need to get our plastic from the other one. Need to get that back on. So let's turn these off. Need to pull this out. Get this one back on, and this goes like that. Let's see. Actually, this goes like this, and then we put this back on. Then we can put this back on. But we need to get our plastic on the outside first, and then put this down. Then we can put this back in here. There we go. There we go. Pop that back in. Now don't forget, push this through, pop it up first, then we're gonna put it in. Put that in there. Then we can pop that back down. And that's it. Reconnect this and we're good to go. That's how you replace the motor on the window. Just reconnect this here with this. I'm gonna open it up so this way it's easier for me to do. So that's how you replace the window motor on the BMW M3. Save yourself some money. Go to a junkyard, try to find one used. They're expensive. New, so if you go to a junkyard you can find them. Just keep looking. Like I said, I paid $17 for this one. So that's about it for today. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.